Good evening, everyone. Billyjack on location. This time coming to you from North King Street. I've passed by this building on a regular basis. It's so tight to come back in this neighborhood, it's hard to see it. But, I'd love to know the construction date on this thing. It's a historic old world building. I suspect it's much older than they say it is. As you can see, the windows really low to the ground down here, plus the very large windows, and the facading on the front is just highly unusual. I guess it was converted into a residence at one time. Unusually tall windows on the sides too. You don't see that anymore. Just unusual facading on the front of this thing. Just a lovely old world mud flooded structure. Incredible. Billyjack over and out.